When it comes to food and the food and beverage industry, sustainability is the biggest challenge we will face over the next decade.
Lately, sustainability, I've been talking a lot about regenerative agriculture. Because we're kind of a unique business and we work with farmers, we've been looking at how to farm differently or how to promote what some farmers have been doing for a long time. So regen is a big focus for us now, and just making sure that we're promoting good farming practices.
It really comes down to the community, the people, and the environment at Peak of the Market.
Is thinking of sustainability as intersections of ecological, environmental, and social sustainability.
When these policy changes come from the government, when the new grant programs come out, that we understand how we can move forward.
The more sustainable we are as companies and as people and as consumers, the longer we will be in this planet.
Sustainability for prairie cricket farms means that the crickets use less feed, less water, and less land to produce our food product. And we think that's so important with our growing population that we are able to produce an efficient food product for people to eat.
The first thing that comes to mind is the resource use and not wasting those resources. And really what that comes down to is food waste.
In the food system, by becoming increasingly engaged with the food system, you can't help but look at those aspects. They're essential for a healthy and vibrant food system.
In food, you have a lot of packaging, and there's a lot of creative ways to package food, but it still creates waste. And so I think keeping things affordable, but also not wasting, is the big challenge for the food industry right now.
You will see from our packaging materials, they are mostly paper-based and they are biodegradable. The lining are made out of corn fiber, which is PLA. And we believe that by doing that, we're in a way protecting the environment.
We really want to go to like zero waste and have everything recyclable. So that's our goal in this, and that's our plan.
Yeah. In the future, when we do begin, hopefully next year, in processing the berries and packaging, we will definitely be looking for recycled materials in our packaging. We will be looking at materials that can be recycled.
For a business that's always kind of built their business model around sustainability, at Wolseley Kombucha we've never used single-use plastic. We've always used compostable sample cups for all our events and markets. All of our beverage cups that we've always used are all compostable straws. So I think what comes first to mind is how can businesses eliminate single-use plastic from their everyday use?
As someone who is very much involved in the logistics part of the supply chain, that is being overlooked a lot when we talked about issue of climate. I think logistics is very important. Transportation, how we move those goods are very important. I would say the more we try to make the sourcing of our goods local, the more we save the carbon footprint.
We see a future where people are definitely worried about where their product comes from and how sustainable it is. And we feel like we fit those needs that they're going to have, especially with, again, the growing population that we're going to be seeing.
Resources that should be available for companies, definitely the first one is education, and come to terms with the actual term of sustainability, because in my mind sustainability is not just environment, but it also has to do with the well-being of both animals, people, everything that we touch.